Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I have an unboxing today from Diamond Art Club. So this one is a kind of an older kit. I had pre-ordered this. This is November 28th. I pre-ordered and I got it yesterday, but I was working all day yesterday. Black Friday, yay. This was pre-ordered in September, and like I said, it is an older kit, and this was one of the ones, if anybody knows, Diamond Art Club's had some issues getting some of their shipments in and stuff, so this was one of those. It was supposed to be here in October, and I just got it. I'm not worried about it at all. I was not in a hurry. I just wanted it when it got here, so no issue for me. Sorry, I had to take a drink really quick. Anyhow, I got it today, and yesterday, like I said, and I am so excited to see this in person. I had seen this one prior, like, you know, just when I started diamond painting and stuff going around, but, and I really liked it, but when I saw Stitcherista working on this one, I just wanted it so bad. So what did I get? I got Alice in Wonderland. And I love it. I just love this design. It's different. It's, you know, I just like the way she looks. So, and it's by JoJos Art, and it is a round. It is a 52 by 59, and in the toolkit is for rounds, so no tweezers, but everything else still applies like their other toolkits. It's going to be, the pin, squishy, 2 pads of wax, craft tray, you know, the drill tray, and multi-placer. So, yay. Same old one you normally get, and the only time it's different is if you get a square, it comes with tweezers, and the rounds do not. And the tweezers are sharp, and I love their tweezers. So, like I said, yesterday was Black Friday. A bunch of us were waiting for the Black Friday releases at, you know, midnight, 3 a.m. depending on your time zone. So what did you all get for the Black Friday sale? Did you get anything good? And then Diamond Art Club went cray-cray on us, and they posted more new releases. New, like, not just the 25 that they had, you know, gave us sneak peeks of throughout the week. They turned around and dropped a bomb on us with a whole bunch more. So I was, yeah, I was the good girl though. I bought 2 from the, no, wait, hold on. I bought 1 from the initial set, and their sale was really good on them. 35% off. So, okay. And then when they did the 2 new releases, I bought 1 more, and then one of my incredible friends gave me a gift card to Diamond Art Club, so I bought a second one. But, you know, what are you gonna do? I'm not showing you what they are until they get here though. Anyhow, so like I said, this is a 52 by 59. It is 45 colors, like I said. It is a round, and as you can see, it has a lot of 310. There's going to be a lot of 310 surrounding. I just like everything about this one. We're going to take a look at the symbols. And the drill field is very clear, like always. It is soft and amazing. Extremely sticky. I know if you see any wrinkles, they're not really wrinkles. They are just the plastic being weird. And then we have 1 AB, I believe, which is 132, and I think that's the only AB in this entire thing. It's number 1. I'm going to do a quick double check, because I know sometimes, every once in a while, they'll throw it in the middle of a mix or at the bottom. I've seen them, but nope, this has 1. So I have a lot of sparklers from Tima that I will definitely add some stuff into it. The ones are all through her hair. You can see them everywhere in her hair. They're down here in the flower. I think that's supposed to be a flower. Yes, down in the flower. So lots of ABs, the yellow ABs sprinkled all throughout there. I love the colors in this one. It's just very, very pretty. So we're gonna flip this around and give me a second because it's gonna be loud. And we're gonna take a look at these drills. So we have 3 10s, and that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 3 10s. We knew we were getting a lot of 3 10s. I showed you all of that surrounding. Not as many as I actually thought, not as many bags as I actually thought, but they're, you know, very full bags. We have 33.71. It looks like a very yummy chocolate brown. 9.39, another 9.39, 8.23, 8.14. It's a really pretty burgundy color. Very, very pretty. And then we have that really pretty purple, which is 154. It's one of my favorite DMCs. 993, 37.78. You know, guys, I like my teals. 38.11, 356, 355, 783. A really nice, like mustardy brown. 938, 796. 782, 38.30. There's the, oh no, see, there is more than one. Nope, that's the one. It looks like yellow in there, but it's actually orange. 132 is a orange AB. AB is Aurora Borealis. It has a iridescent coating on the top. Mine, it's not, it's just extra. I don't know why I can't talk today. It's just extra. You get extra bling, and that's a really pretty orange. 37.71. Sorry, my dog is hitting the table, which is shaking my whole camera. 890, 400, 300, 992, 820, 37.77, 743. She's shaking the whole thing. Hold on, guys. And then I have 37.56, a very, very, very light mint green. 7.75, another teal. 9.95, 6.99, 38.65. We have 38.14 and 9.05, 9.91. We have 7.54, 4.98, 8.17, 9.48, 1.55, 38.44, and my dog is shaking the whole thing. Ab, you gotta move, honey. 7.27, 9.06, 3.33, 7.40, 37.08, and 37.05. Abby, you gotta move. Come on, come on. You're shaking the whole thing. Yep. Thank you, Mom. All right, so we're gonna flip this back around. And so those are all orange instead of yellow like I originally thought. It looks very yellow, and it looks kind of yellow in here, but it isn't. So, and then, yeah, these colors are gonna look so good. I love all the teals and the blues and the lighter colors with the 310. It just, to me, again, I really like that kind of color tone together because it just makes everything pop so bright, and I love that. So yeah, I'm really excited to do this one. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you for being here. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and please hit the bell icon to be notified the next time I post a video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. I think this one, last I saw, which was like a few days ago, is still available, or it's available for pre-order. I can't remember, but I will link it. The other day I did an unboxing of this one from Chuck Pinson, and it's the American Roots, and I love this one, but when I was unboxing, I told you all it had a lot of ABs. I didn't realize that all of the white in here, everything that looks white, like there's a lot of gray and light gray and, you know, different shades of gray throughout all this, but I didn't realize every single spot of this that looks white is done with white AB. So I really thought that was really cool, and I'll link my unboxing from this one in the card so you can check it out. But I just, like I said, I wanted to share that because I didn't realize that it was all of the white was the white AB. I mean, I noticed it had a lot of white ABs in the drills. I just didn't realize it had all of it. So I thought that was super impressive. And like I said, I will link it in the cards, and I'll see you all later. Bye.